Now we can calculate if the two sets are disjoint. Okay, let's try to print set A is disjoint. Okay, is disjoint of set B. If we print here, we have false. Okay, so why do we have false here? Because disjoint returns true if both sets have no same elements. So we need to have a null intersection, and we need to have no same elements. So because here we have 3, we have 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3, that's why we have a false here. Okay, so in order to prove our point here, we need to create another set here. Let us call it set C. Let us give it 7 and 8. Now, if we save this, and now let us try to print set A is disjoint of set C. Let's put C here. If we save this, okay, now we have true here, just because there are no same elements and there is a 0 intersection between set A and set C. Okay, now